Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford F-150 truck, guys, between year 2009 and year 2014, that generation. If you're trying to find where the fuse for the audio control module, also known as a radio fuse, guys, is, stay with us. We'll explain that in this video today, step by step. You may have up to 3 fuses that you need to check. All that will be covered in this video today. In addition, we will explain where you can buy cheap fuses from and why it's super important to test fuses and relays. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. On this channel, you will find all the fuse videos on Ford F-150. We're going to make video for every single fuse, so if you're on the road, stuck in the middle of somewhere, you need to find a specific fuse, you can just come to the channel, search for it, find it in less than, let's say, 30 seconds. You don't even need to pull your manual out of the glove box, and most of the times, you will be even missing this one. Something else, guys. We take cars here at the garage and we take them completely apart. We fix engines, transmissions, bodywork. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. And the mechanical work, guys, okay, electric codes and things like that can be found on our main YouTube channels. Those are our older channels, and this one is our new channel where we're going to share just fuses so we can make it really convenient for you to find the information that you need. Now, if you need to buy replacement fuses, relays for your Ford F-150, because those can be really expensive at the parts store or the dealership, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can get them at a really good price and quick shipping as well. So let's continue. So we'll demonstrate here on a 2012 Ford F-150, but even if you have a different year, that generation, the video may be helpful. You guys have 2 fuse boxes. One is under the hood right above the radiator. We don't need that one today. We'll be working inside the vehicle. When you open the truck on the passenger side, under the glove box, on the right side by the kick panel, there is one plastic panel. You remove it and you will see your fuse box. We took a picture, zoomed it, so we can show with a clear detail exactly where each of those fuses is located. Now, let's explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays so you don't waste your money and time. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So if you look right here, guys, okay, you're going to have that row of fuses on the left side. You will need to count, okay, down from top to bottom. Even if you have a missing fuse, you count that spot. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. That 15 amp fuse will need to be checked, guys. That 15 amp fuse right here. Then we have another fuse, okay, that's known as fuse number 29. Fuse number 29 in the second row right here, it's the very last 20 amp fuse right here, guys. Check this fuse, that's the one that you need to check as well. And after that, we just have one more, which is known as fuse number 38. Will be in the third row, 1 2. Second fuse from bottom to top, that 10 amp fuse will need to be checked for the radio, guys, for the audio control module. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.